Hello guys and welcome. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your Trust Wallet recovery phrase step by step. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to have to locate your Trust Wallet on your phone. Mine is on my home screen, so we'll use that. You have to log into your Trust Wallet, and once you do that, you'll be taken to the app. There are three ways you can get your recovery phrase on this screen right now. You can either tap the shield icon, that you press and hold the shield icon for 1 to 3 seconds like this to be taken directly to the wallet menu, or you can look for the gear icon just below the right hand side of your screen. Press it and you tap on wallets and you'll be taken to the wallet menu. Once you're at the wallet menu, you look for the current wallet you're logged into. It would definitely have a shield icon with a blue tick just above it, like how we have on this wallet right here. You click by the right hand side and you'd be taken to the menu where your secret recovery phrase is. You click on it, show secret recovery phrase. You'd be prompted to put in your passcode again, and you'd have to sign or understand the risk of revealing your passcode to anyone, if at all you are, and you continue from there on, and voila, your secret recovery phrase is right there on the screen. Okay guys, that's all for today. Comment down below if you have any questions about how to get your Trust Wallet recovery phrase, and have a nice one.